Hi, this is Dan Nickerson, and welcome to the Socrates team. Socrates was developed by Joel Comm and myself, and we've both been fortunate to make a lot of money online selling templates, creating AdSense websites, and developing ClickBank products. And we recently decided it was a perfect time to create a premium WordPress theme created by us for marketers and affiliate marketers and anyone who wants to create a quick niche website. So we built Socrates as a platform. It has built-in monetization. It has ClickBank. It has special SEO features like all our navigation links have no follow and new window options on them. We have over 200 niche headers that you can instantly add any type of text or subtext to. We've optimized the layout for SEO. We have all kinds of cool widget functions as well. And this is just the demo site that we currently have. And I'm going to show you a quick tutorial here on how to get set up really quickly with Socrates. So just take a few minutes and I'm going to show you how to create a niche site very quickly with WordPress. And you know what? I haven't even installed WordPress yet. I'll show you how I can do that really quick. I'm in the back end of cPanel, so I'm going to scroll down to the Software and Services tab, and I'm going to click on Fantastico Deluxe, and this is how you actually install WordPress via cPanel. And if you have HostGator or another major host, this is automatically built in. I'm clicking on WordPress. I'm going to click on New Installation. Now I'm going fast because this is the demo. Obviously, you can slow this down again if you want to watch it. And I'm just going to do a little video demo directory. If you were going to put this in your primary domain, you would leave this blank. And I'm going to set up a password here, admin and password, and I will of course change this, so don't try to access after you see this video. I'll leave this blank for right now. I'm going to click on Install WordPress, and then I'm going to click on Finish Installation. And I've now fully installed WordPress on my site, and I'm going to open this in a new window so you can see this is what it looks like right now. And I'm going to log in with the information I just created, and click on Login. And next thing I want to do is actually upload the Socrates theme. So of course I've downloaded it to my desktop. If you purchase the Socrates theme, you'll get a zip file. You can see I don't have any other themes in here right now. And also, if you're using WordPress 3.0, there'll be a little thing that says Install Themes at the top of this section. You just click on that. And now I'm going to click on Upload, and I'm going to browse to my Socrates zip file, which is, excuse me for 1 second as I go into here, and I'm going to go into the latest version, and I'm going to install it. And I'm very close. I've just actually installed Socrates. You can see this version 2.03. This is our latest, most advanced theme. And I'm going to click on the little Socrates tab here, and we have a splash page that has information and resources to help you get set up. I can go into my layout, and I have all these 5 different options for layouts. I'm going to choose this one right now. I'm just going to click on Save. And if I want to add in a title, description, and keywords for SEO, I can do that. This changes the main page of the keyword. If you have a SEO plugin, it'll actually overwrite this as well. And we have built-in monetization with ClickBank. So let's just say I want to put in Joel's ClickBank ID. I can type in JCOM right there. If I have Google Analytics, I can enter the analytics code right here, and it will actually insert into the header, which is Google's new recommended setting. And you click on Save there. I have post display settings. So say you're an affiliate marketer and you don't want to date your content, you can actually turn off the author, date, and comments right here by clicking off, and they won't make your site look like it's dated. I have in-post ads, so if I want to add an in-post ad, I can actually go and I'll just copy some Google AdSense that I have here, and I'll paste the code right here. And I only want this to repeat twice per page, so I know that how many AdSense ads I have displaying. I can also use in-post ads. I can put it at the bottom. I can put at the bottom of every post. I can choose that to display only certain times. If you want to put an opt-in box or a 460 by 60 banner for a program, you can do that. This is a cool feature of Socrates. This is our leaderboard. If you don't want to display a top leaderboard, you can just turn it off. However, we allow you to rotate 3 different HTML codes for 728 by 90 banners, or you can put AdSense in there, but you shouldn't rotate AdSense, by the way. And then we have a social media slider, which is pretty cool. So if I want to put in my Twitter information, I could go Twitter Dan Nickerson. If I want to put my RSS feed for this site, I could put in an RSS feed, and I'll just do a quick one right now. I'll just put feed, even though it's not a real link. I have Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And then I have some built-in ClickBank monetization. This one is for the Secret Classroom, one of our products, and this is also for Socrates. If you leave it blank, the ads won't display it, so it's totally optional, and I'm just going to leave it blank for now. We also have a little section if you want to put in a little advertising code on the top ad bar. You can add it in the HTML blocks here, and I'm going to save that. And that's the first section that we've set up. Let me go to navigation. And here we have 4 navigation bars, and we do a little differently than other themes. We sort of make you take this extra step when setting up your site, so you can have more options. And so this allows you to keep content private. It allows you to not let Google index it. So say you want to put privacy pages and contact pages, you don't want to give up any Google page rank, you can actually just click on no follow, and then Google won't index that site. I can actually drag, if I have Firefox, I can drag right over here, and I can type in this is my about page, and then this is my home page, and I'm just gonna type in here and just go like this, and that'll be my home page for this. And I also have lower navigation, so say you want to get some links out to other sites of your network, you can actually do bottom links. You can do copyright notice here. I'm just going to type in copyright now. 2010, I'll leave the rest of that blank, but I can add in all these different URLs, and these actually get loaded in the footer left. And I'm going to save that, and you'll see how that all works out in just a second. And then I'm going to go to styling, and here we have 6 different default styles you can use. And if you want to change the colors to customize the backgrounds, the top links, the primary links, and the header color, you can actually go right in here, click on it, and I can change the color instantly in here using the color picker. And so I'll just save all that. And then here is one of the signature features of Socrates, which is our header tool. So you can see right here it's blank. It's actually loading right now a bunch of headers. And we have preloaded over 200 headers, and we're adding more all the time. And we have business category, computers, energy, finance, games, this gradient, health, legal, music, nature, people, pets, real estate, tons, sports, textures. We're going to keep adding more and more, and actually in our forum people are contributing headers all the time. I'm going to choose a business header. I'm going to click on this little graph, and once I did that, you're going to see the graph right here, and I'll just type in Socrates demo, and I'll put Socrates tagline here, and I hit enter. And I can also align this to the center. You see the color? I can actually change the colors right here. I'll change the bottom color there. I can increase the size of the title. I can increase the size of the subtitle. I put it back to the left. And then I'm just going to go to, oh, by the way, I can also change the font. And of course, I can upload my own header image. So if you're a graphic designer, you just create your own header image, 960 by 150, and you upload it. And then you just select it from a user uploads box here, and you'll have your own custom header. I'm going to click on save, and then the final piece of the puzzle here is just the background. So if I click on background, I can choose yes, I want a background image, and I can choose any of these different colors here. You can see it changing up here as I click. So I'll just choose gray stripes right now, and if you know a little bit about CSS, you can actually repeat using repeat functions. So depending on what kind of header you upload yourself, yes, we have your own background uploader as well. And I'm going to click on save, and we're done. We've configured our Socrates site, and by the way, we also have a banner exchange. You can click on that to learn more about the banner exchange. And I'll go back to this site. I'll reload. Okay, so here's the site. You can see I have the header that I created. I have the title. I have the tagline. This would be where my code would rotate. So this actually just rotates every 4 seconds or so. This is my social media slider. So I rotate my social media banners. If you put in ads here, they'll rotate as well, like every 4 or 5 seconds they rotate. This is where you put your posts, and we actually have the ability on a per post basis to actually disable these as well. So I'm going to go back and show you one other thing, and this is new features of version 2.0, and that is if I want to create a squeeze page or a sales page. If I want to create a sales page, I can just go in here, type in a title, and then I can go in here and choose my template. And you can see that I have a contact form. By the way, we also have a built-in contact form. We have no sidebars. We have sales page. We have a skinny sales page. And we have a squeeze page. So I can click on skinny sales page. I can choose whether I want to show my right footer nav. I can put a copyright disclaimer notice. I can choose to keep it hidden as well. I can no index and no follow this page. So once again, more SEO features that most themes don't have. And I'm not going to show you the full tutorial, but you can actually just put in your code here, and it will create the sales page. If I decided to do a squeeze page, I could turn off the header. I can show Socrates in the footer if you want to do affiliate link. I can put an HTML here. I can put my video embed code from YouTube or whatever video service I'm using. I can put more HTML below it. I can do a page footer. And this is where I put in my opt-in code, and it will just generate a squeeze page quickly. But if you want to learn more about that, We have great tutorials in the members area. Once you purchase at the price we have today, it's a great low price. You get access to our members area and also our growing forum. In fact, if I just go and click on forum right here, you can see that we have a very quickly generating a very popular forum with tons of people talking and helping us improve Socrates on a daily basis. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you purchase Socrates today, and if you have any questions, hey, that's what we're here for. Thanks a lot.